Hey beautiful people, it's me again talking about Hey Honey. I wanted to do a quick review on the concealer. It's called Trick or Treat, kind of the same thing as the foundation, the CC cream. I use these two together. I just wanted to show you the opaqueness of this. I'm gonna put it on my tattoo here. One little dot. When I put this on, I can tell that it like helps your under eye circles. So that's one cool thing. It like benefits. It has benefits throughout the day while you're wearing it. So that's the coverage you're gonna get. Yeah, so it's real, it's gives coverage. It definitely covers dark circles, but it's light, but it also is like an under eye cream. So love it.